Hello everyone, this is Ibrahim from Encrouter. We're in Stockholm right now in the Encrouter office, and I was planning on showing you how to set up your Encrouter. I have the router right here, and you also need one internet cable that's coming from your ISP and one power cable. It should be quite easy. I will show you how to plug everything in. Just swap this router. I will plug in the Ethernet cable in the WAN port just like that and give it power just like that. I will need the app to set up the router, so I will use the handy QR code that we have right here. I will scan it, download it from the App Store, and of course it's also available in the Google Play Store. So depending on what you have, you will come to the right place. Scan it, use my camera and download the app, and I will sign up. I will just use my email, and after entering your email you will receive confirmation. There you go. Here it will ask for a code, so I'm just gonna open it up really quickly. The email looks like this. Just simply click it and you will be in the app.